So many people have been faced with the problem of suddenly acquiring all of the LEGO Architecture Skyline sets and not knowing what to do with them. But, like any sane person would, they eventually came to the conclusion that they need to make a Legoland with them. And then do a little sneak peek video of it. By showing the whole set. So as you can see here, this Legoland is kind of there, but it's also very empty and not very done. That's because it's not done and it's very empty. But as you can see here from what is done, we do have a main strip here that has all the Skyline sets on it and then the Eiffel Tower at the end. And that is for people to walk around and see the models of the city. And as they're walking around, it's also an amusement park, so they do have rides on the sides of it in the corners. And then if they do so please to, they can ride the train or monorail that circles it. Now one thing you will notice is that there is a large empty gray space in front of it. This right now is our main unfinished part of the Legoland, and this is hopefully going to be the parking lot / entrance area. But right now we're not really sure how we're going to build our entrance, because you can see we do have a lot of parking lot here that we can work with. We want to kind of have a bus lane that comes up here, maybe a car drop-off lane, and then parking to either side of that, and then a nice grand entrance right to the front of the park. But we're still working out how we're going to do that. So if you guys have any ideas of things that might work, let us know in the comments. One thing you also might notice is that this is not the normal place our city is located, and that would be a correct observation. This is our basement. And one thing that's good about building something in the basement is that you have a nice, wonderful build station right next to where you're building. So you're not crammed through a little bedroom trying to figure out how to build large sets in a very small space. So here you can see we have some photos of the Legoland as it was coming together, and as you can see it is centered around the architecture sets. They are the main attraction of the park. Let us know if you have any ideas for what might improve the park or what to do with some of the empty space between the rides. We made some progress on the main entrance, but are still looking for ideas to help finish it off. So let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.